Whoa, what is all of this dug up soil doing here? And what the heck is this pile of stuff? Okay, so this story goes back to this beautiful silver maple tree. And the fact that I've got a garden, I've put this garden in underneath it. Now, like any plant, my silver maple tree wants water, so it produces water roots. And that's what this big pile of stuff is here. These are all water roots from my silver maple that have grown into my gardens there. Now you can see the silver maple, the drip line is way out there, like halfway into my neighbor's yard, and the water roots grow a little bit past the drip line. Now the drip line is basically the edge of the tree where the, if you imagine water, it rains, water comes down and falls from leaf to leaf to leaf until you get to the furthest extent of the leaves and they drip down. That's why they call it the drip line. So in this particular garden, I had some flowers growing, but they weren't doing very well. They were very small, very stunted. Is that the word, stunted? They were very small. Very obviously to me, because I've been gardening in this garden for many years, was the fact that they were being choked out by this massive pile of water roots. So what I've been doing here is very systematically going in, digging down about a foot and removing the dirt, removing the water roots. And it's a little late in the season to plant this year, so this is going to remain just soil once I get it all raked out and tamped down and that kind of stuff. So the planting in this area, it'll have to wait until next spring. But the thing is that successful flowers and plants that grow under trees in the water roots were planted with quite a large root mass to begin with. So over the years, the tree roots and the plants learn to coexist. But in this particular area, the plants that I planted were very small to begin with, so the tree roots choked them out very easily. So a little something for gardeners wondering why plants don't grow if you plant them under trees.